So today we are going to be talking about special effects blues. When I say special effects, it's like sheer colors that show up on dark bases. It doesn't show up so much when you stamp, but when you paint it on, you can definitely see it. And if you wear it over your natural nails, you're gonna need 2 coats of this for sure. Or you could put a black or dark base underneath it. But special effects also encapsulates many different finishes. So what we're seeing on the bottle, it looks a lot more silvery, but actually the color is a very, very dark navy blue. Like this color is Glass Slipper, B224. And she stamps great on black or white. Again, this one has like that silver metallic base, so when you stamp it, it's nice and opaque no matter what base you use. Also, fun fact, when you are painting with these types of polishes, sometimes painting it on slowly is better. And that's how you end up getting a straighter line. Because when you work with like polishes that are pearlescent or metallic, you can see the paint strokes in them. So this is what all of our special effects blues look like together. So pretty. So for everyone who's like, is it the same color as before? No, it's not. It's a different color. They're all different colors. Even if they look like they're similar colors, I promise you they're not. And you're gonna see it here because all of them look so unique. Even if they look similar in tone, the effect on it is different.